Warning. Be absolutely very clear with what you share and hear. I swear I will block people once I see your comments are disrespectful and evil. Don't be tricked thinking that, by the way, Jamaicans chat, we all are illiterate. You are just being ignorant, making an erroneous mistake, or maybe to just badmind because we are loved all over the place. There is good and bad everywhere. But let me proudly declare I am a remarkable Jamaican. And as much as an all we go to school, and all we are bumboclaat fools. Not all Jamaicans drink rum and smoke marijuana spliff. And as much as smaddy like me might not attend a day in university, make me tell you this, my intellectual capability is immensely high. So try and learn this. I ghetto I come from. Wrenk like 7 ram goat piss. Tell them precisely. Now, this particular individual sent me a message. Very disrespectful. So, of course, I had to block them. Now, talk like Jamaicans seeming to start doing tremendously well. Booming ever since I posted it on this TikTok platform. And I have to say, much respect to everybody who participated in helping it to escalate to immensely high. I smiled widely as I woke earlier this morning. See it clap like 60-something thousand views. And I was like, whoa! So big respect to you, the people who believe in what I'm doing, who believe in my creativity, my contents, my talents. If I never own them, I would have never reached this far. I once was banned for 3 days on my live just for reciting poetry. And it all have to do with some bad mind people who report me thing. And now some of them are come message me and I make some disrespectful chat. I could have easily tagged them and repost and I'll comment me couldn't see, but I now make them get popular because too much I want to attack them and then them would have get some recognition. I choose to block them permanently. So this is for anybody who feel like them can try run up in my thing. Yo, my thing not normal, yo. How many millions or possibly billions of people on TikTok and you choose to come in my comment section to be disrespectful? Anyway, the thing continues, so keep sharing, keep watching, and big respect and much thanks. Salute to all of unnu. It's artist Craig Kirkland, aka Amaziyah the Great. Tell them precisely.